Let's talk about a marketing system or at least a technique that has worked for me, okay? And I think it's going to work for you too. And one thing I like about it, it's darn affordable, okay? So anyway, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel and watching my videos, okay? So let's just talk 100% about LiveGood, okay? Now, if you're already in LiveGood, awesome, good choice. You're probably buying the products, and for $10 a month, you can get everything wholesale. And if you want to spend $40, two $20 bills, you can be an affiliate and earn money like myself. Okay. And I think everyone wants to do that because it's so darn affordable. Okay. So I'm going to just, for the next 5, maybe 10 minutes, show you exactly what I do. And I just do this every day. And it doesn't take me a long time to do this. And I'm going to put my email and I'll put a little list of what we're going to talk about as well, because I know that you're going to probably just watch this video and then maybe go back and forth a few times to go over what I discuss right now, okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and shrink myself up here, and I'm going to show you a business card, all right? Let's see, there we go. Okay, part of my marketing system is on a street level. I do not talk about LiveGood. All I do is invite people to a link so they can watch a video. Now, I go to Vistaprint, and you can go anywhere to get business cards made, but if you just want to sit home and have them come to you in the mail, get a big old box for $25. You can design them yourself. I just chose this red business card with the sports car because I like sports cars, and I like how white jumps off the red background. Now, you can put your cell phone, you can put your email, you can put your name. It's really up to you, but I highly, highly, highly encourage you to make your domain the centerpiece, the center point, the focus. You don't want people talking on the phone with you all day about the opportunity, and most of the time they're not even going to join, and everyone's going to forget what you talk about anyway. So, joincory.com. I recommend going to GoDaddy just because they're open every day, every month, every year, 24 hours a day, and there's a live operator, okay? My name is Cory, so I bought joincory.com. I also bought joincorynow.com, workwithcory.com, okay? So it's up to you. Just go ahead and buy whatever domain name that you'd like. And if they're brand new and they're not taken up yet, they're about $10 to $11, okay? I use GoDaddy. I use Vistaprint for the business cards. So if you look at me down on the bottom right, okay, or maybe I can just blow my screen up here, you can see. These are the business cards, okay? Nothing fancy. I don't put anything on the back in case I need to write maybe a note, a grocery list, or maybe you need to pick your teeth because you went and had some chicken at KFC or something. But anyway, if you meet me on the street and somehow this opportunity comes up, guys, I just hand the business card out and I just say, watch this video. Okay, and you're going to ask yourself, what video is it? Well, if you're not in LiveGood yet, please write down that joincory.com. And I'll show you on the screen too. Okay, so part of my technique or my marketing system is to just invite people to this link and let them watch a video. Because if you're going to talk and talk and talk about LiveGood, they're going to think, you're going to think that you're going to have to do the same. And I highly encourage you don't do that. Invite people to a link to a video and they will say yay or nay. Okay, so anyway, let me go ahead and put my business cards down before I drop them all on my lap here, okay? Now, look at the center screen. Where is my little shrink button? There we go. Okay, if you go to joincory.com, let's just show you what it looks like, okay? Now, if you join, you're going to get this page too. And right here where it says Cory Draper's website, you can put whatever you want in that location as well. I just like to brand myself. And this is what I've learned the last year and a half that I've been in LiveGood. People join people. I hear that every single time someone signs up with me in LiveGood or my other businesses online. Because I always ask, I'm not shy, hey, why'd you guys sign up with me? Well, you do video, you do email, I go to your Facebook post. It seems like you have other hobbies and you do other stuff besides beg for money and beg to join. Okay, so people join people. I like joincory.com because it has my name in it. You can go to corydraper.com, and that has all my businesses on that webpage. And then right here, see, welcome to LiveGood, Cory Draper's website. I just want people to know, hey, this is my website. And you're in good hands if you want to, pick me to join under. Okay. Now, when people go to this page, they usually just click the YouTube button right here, and they'll watch a 6-minute video, and it's of our CEO, Ben Glinsky. He talks about the business, the opportunity, the pricing, the comp plan, everything. He gets it well done. Everything done in 6 minutes. To be exact, it's 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Okay. Then if people want more information, they put their name and their email here and hit reserve my position. Then you'll get one message from LiveGood for 30 days. And you can opt out anytime you want. And if you want to join LiveGood, obviously you just put your name and email address in, click the reserve my position, and then just go get your email. Okay. And then you can join. Just follow the instructions on the LiveGood email. Okay. Now, let's just go back to LiveGood, the website, okay? And you can order from LiveGood without even being a member or an affiliate, just like Walmart.com, Amazon, okay? What I recommend you do is go and check out our products because you want to be proud of what you sell, all right? Even if you're an affiliate, all right? It'll be all about the money. It's like, I want to earn money, okay? But I'll tell you what, if you really look into our products and see how high caliber they are, and since we're a wholesale company, no one's going to beat our prices. Just go through and look at the multivitamins, look at the magnesium, look at the protein powder, the organic coffee. Super Reds and Super Greens are a must. They're my favorite. If you want energy, get the E3, CBD oil, rock bottom prices, guys. Look at all these products we have now. And all you got to do is just hit the white rectangle, and all the ingredients and the pricing and everything is all divulged right there, okay? We even have packages, all right? You guys just take your time, check out the products. Little shaker bottles to mix up your protein powder, with your milk or water, whatever. And we have shirts and hats and tank tops, and this little thing you can put in your glass and make it froth. Okay, it's only $5. All right, so anyway, go to the products and check them out. You're going to dig them, okay? Now, the second thing that I invite people to do is go to the FAQ, okay? There's a lot of questions that you're going to have. I'll answer all the ones that I know, and I think I can answer just about any question you're going to have. I know LiveGood pretty darn good now. But just go to the FAQ and click all these lines here. They're just questions. Look at how many. And that way, you're probably going to get 80 to 90% of your questions answered just by going to the FAQ. Now, one important thing is obviously if you're an affiliate, you only pay $40 one time for life. You don't have to buy products to get commissions. But you want to know how much you can make, right? So go to the bottom of your cell phone or computer screen. It's going to say pay plan or affiliate pay plan. Just click it, and this is what the page looks like. Go ahead and read these 7 ways. Just scroll and just take your time and read. But the best thing to do, go to the bottom and just watch the YouTube video. All right? Just click that play button. Sit back and watch this 2 or 3 times. That way you have the comp plan memorized and you don't have to ask anybody or be confused. Just watch the YouTube video. Everything's all about video now. No one wants to talk on the phone. No one wants to text. They just want to say, hey, give me the link to the video. Thank you very much. Okay? So I think the system I use or the technique is extremely easy. And guys, I'm just one sign up away of 400 people. And I don't even have experience doing this business. To me, I almost feel guilty that I'm successful. I'm number 27 out of 1.8 million people in the company. And it's just by keeping it simple, having fun. Show people your Facebook page. Okay? Show your hobbies. Talk about flowers or food. Maybe you have your favorite animal. Maybe you're just single and you like going to the park, or you're into sports. Maybe you're into food. Okay? You know how many signups I literally have gotten from my walls? Because people will go, hey, there's people I can sign up, but you know what? I'm into Farrah Fawcett. I saw your Farrah Fawcett Barbie. Or hey, I'm into Legos or Hot Wheels or the band Kiss. All right? Just by having a little personality, having fun, maybe talking about my life. I don't, here's my address, social security number, come and hang out and stay at my house tomorrow. I mean, I don't put that kind of information out. I mean, you can if you want, but talk about just your life. Even if you're having a good day or a bad day, just tell people about it. Be honest. And if you're new, tell people that. Just say, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing the best I can to get a business card. And Cory says that it's good to just to divulge myself a little bit. All right, just talk about some things, or maybe my elbow hurts. Maybe your back hurts like your grandma's or something. But I firmly believe that people join people. Okay, I've heard that almost every sign up. Okay, and LiveGood is just one of my online opportunities. I've got other ones that complement LiveGood that help me make money, not only just through signups, but I've literally talked to thousands of people since March of 2023. My 2-year anniversary will be, 3 months right now. What is it? January, February, March. So in about 2.5 months, I can say I have 2 years underneath my belt. Okay, and most people say, hey, I just want to join you, Cory, because I think you're there. I see you talk on video. I see your Facebook page. Okay, you have a life besides the business that I'm trying to say, join. Let's just be a part of this system. And please, I'm dying for money, and talk about the products and the opportunity, but have nothing else to say. I highly don't recommend that. All right, have some fun. Screw off a little bit. And if your videos suck, who cares? If your posts on Facebook you think are average, you'll get better. And if you want to email like a maniac, I've got that down to a science, guys. I send over 100,000 emails every 24 hours, and the company pays me. It's $1 a day to get going. That's it, $30 a month. Okay, so I have things that I do. And if you want to email me and join my team, my group, all right, let's just have a little high five. How you doing? And then I'm going to send you a nice email about everything that I do every day. And it's all affordable. I don't do high ticket, crazy amounts where you spend 5 to 10 grand and then you go find someone else to get 5 to 10 grand and so on. I like LiveGood because it's the basics. It's the beginning of a really nice opportunity for you to, in my opinion, disclaimer, make some nice money, but then get good at advertising and talking to people and not being so darn shy and nervous if people get a hold of you. Okay? This is a really good beginning system to something that kicks butt. Guys, we sign up over 60,000 people per month, and we're 2 years old. Usually a company, if they get that kind of success, it's the first couple months and then they're kaput. Guys, 1.8 million people, and we're barely 2 years old. Okay? We're going places. So anyway, get a hold of me. If you have any questions, I'm not shy. Cory@CoryDraper.com. All right, there's my business card. All right. Go ahead and click that. Watch that little video of Ben talking, our CEO, and then put in your name and email address. All right, and I hope you join. All right, it's a kick-ass company. Whatever I'm doing is working. My success, guys, to be number 27 out of 1.8 million, it speaks for itself. Numbers, they don't lie in this business, okay? You want to talk about things that you do and make them as simple as possible and then offer people, to join you and help. Okay, and it works. Okay, so anyway, I'll let you guys go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for your time. Okay, guys? All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.